Hello everyone, here's fiber optic light product. I think you should check it out. What you see is what you get. The engine is with white color LED color wheel. There are 3 color wheel for option like Twinkle White 6 colors, Twinkle 6 colors. Each machine with one only, but can order another to replace. Optical fibers can be installed on ceilings or wall panels made of gypsum plasterboard, wood, perspex, and stretch ceilings and car. If you'd like to see more in-depth videos, and make sure to subscribe to our channel.